Elevate your driving experience with the Nunoo 12.3-inch car radio head unit, a cutting-edge multimedia solution designed for BMW X3 F25 and X4 F26 models. This Android 12 car accessories navigation system brings innovation and convenience to your fingertips, ensuring a seamless blend of entertainment and navigation capabilities. Nunoo 12.3-inch car radio head unit. Carplay for BMW features. Immersive 12.3-inch display. Enjoy a visually stunning and expansive 12.3-inch touchscreen display that enhances your in-car visuals. The large display provides clarity and ease of use, making it a focal point of your BMW's interior. Nunoo CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. Access your favorite apps, navigation, music, and more directly from the head unit, ensuring a connected and convenient driving experience. Multimedia powerhouse. Turn your BMW into a multimedia powerhouse. Play videos, stream music, and enjoy a variety of entertainment options with the multimedia capabilities of this head unit. Keep yourself and your passengers entertained on every journey. Navigation excellence. Stay on course with the advanced navigation system. Benefit from real-time traffic updates, turn-by-turn directions, and intuitive mapping to make your journeys efficient and stress-free. Tailored for BMW X3 F25 and X4 F26. Specifically designed for BMW X3 F25 and X4 F26 models, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your vehicle's interior. Enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your BMW with this purpose-built head unit. User-friendly interface. Navigate through features with ease using the intuitive and user-friendly interface. The touchscreen responsiveness and well-organized menus provide a hassle-free experience, allowing you to focus on the road. Upgrade your BMW X3 F25 or X4 F26 with the Nunoo 12.3-inch car radio head unit, combining advanced technology, entertainment options, and navigation features in one sleek package. Transform your driving experience into a connected and enjoyable journey.